Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add about us page on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, let's see how to create about us page. So click on online store and select pages and click on add page. Give here the page title about us and now enter here your content and make sure visibility is visible, and you can edit the website SEO. Enter the page title and you can edit the description, and you can select the theme template and then click on save. So the about us page has been created. Now we need to put or add this about us page to our website menu. So go to navigation and here you'll find two options, footer menu and main menu. So I'm going to opening my website, and as you can see here is no about us item here, so I'm going to adding the about us page to my main menu. So I'm going to select in main menu and clicking on add menu item, menu name giving here about us, and link. Click on this box and select pages, and I'm selecting these pages about us, which one I just created, and clicking on add, and you can reposition the page and click on save. And I'm going to refreshing my website, and here you can see about us page has been added. If I click on it, here you can see I've successfully added about us page to my Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.